Hi everybody, this is Warble from warbletech.com. Today I'm going to show you guys how to create an ISO image with Daemon Tools Ultra. Okay, first open up Daemon Tools Ultra. You're going to get to this screen right here. Click on Tools. There's a couple of options right here. So click on Create a Data Image. And on the right side of the screen of Create a Data Image, there are three icons. Add files icon, new folder, and import from image icon. I want to click on add files. Right here I'm going to choose the folder that I created as an example. I'm going to click open. Okay, right here I'm supposed to be the name for the CD. I'm going to change the name. Just by clicking on it, I'm going to type ISO sample. You can choose whatever name you like. Okay, right here there's a size for the image. If you want to save it to a DVD or a CD, just pick an option. I'm going to pick DVD. And in the file system, I'm going to keep it as UDF. Click next. Now you can choose to save wherever you like. I'm going to keep it as it is. I'm going to change the name to ISO sample. Oops. And I'm gonna keep the format as standard ISO. I'm gonna click start. Okay, finish, and it's ready. Well, thank you for watching the video.